This is what 650K is gonna get you in Conshohocken, PA. Let's take a look. All right, so this townhouse is almost 3,000 square feet, 4 beds, 4.5 baths. Let's take a look. First bathroom is right here. Here's your first half bath on the first floor. Over here is the kitchen. Nice, spacious, really nice window. You know, I'm a big window guy, so getting some nice light in is awesome. Like I said, kitchen's really nice. Then we'll head over here to the main living area. Here's where you can, you know, sit down with your family of 4. Awesome. And then right here, you can have some TV going and nice seating area. Pretty big, wide open area for a townhouse, which is really cool. Let's actually take you outside real quick. Now let's head upstairs. Like we said, this is 3 floors, 4 levels because there's a basement. Let's get into the first room. Every single bedroom has its own full bath, which is actually really cool. All right, let's go to the next bedroom. Laundry area right here. And here's your other bedroom where, again, full bath. This bath is a lot nicer actually, so this could be the master if you wanted it to be. Full bath, closet as well. And then we go up to the 3rd floor. Like we said, 3 floors, 4 levels. And then you have your final bedroom. Well, actually, almost final bedroom. Again, full bath, nice big area. This is probably what I'd make the master actually, wouldn't you say, Dean? Yeah, definitely. And then nice big window. That's the bathroom, not the basement. Here's the basement. Let's take a look. Nice big area you can have as a bedroom if you'd like. Another full bath, carpeted. And just a lot of space. Like we said, for a townhouse, you have a ton of space in here, almost 3,000 square feet. Pretty much brand new. It was built 2014. So that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. Let me know your thoughts on the house down below. You think it's the right price? Do you like the area? Or any feedback at all? Really appreciate that. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. Thanks guys, peace.